plea. The Delhi Chief Minister and the Enforcement Directorate traded sharp barbs and hard-nosed legal arguments in court as the High Court heard the plea. Mr. Kejriwal was arrested last month and has been sent to the National Capital's Tihar jail till the 15th of April for his role as the alleged kingpin in this liquor policy scam. During the arguments, Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju, representing the ED, issued strong rejoinder to arguments about the timing of Mr. Kejriwal's arrest, declaring criminals are supposed to be arrested and put in jail. Earlier appearing for Mr. Kejriwal, senior advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi began his argument by claiming the sole purpose of the arrest is to humiliate and incapacitate the Aam Aadmi Party. Let's go across to Aishwarya now for more on this story. And Aishwarya, so there was a lot of points put forward by Abhishek Manu Singhvi questioning the timing of this arrest, the fact that it was 2 years that the ED was investigating this. Still, they chose to arrest Arvind Kejriwal just before the Lok Sabha elections, while the ED claims that he is the kingpin of this alleged scam.
Well, certainly it was Abhishek Manu Singhvi who clearly stated that the Enforcement Directorate took so long that they waited for the Lok Sabha polls, and when Lok Sabha polls were just round the corner on March 21st, they raided Arvind Kejriwal's residence and he was placed under arrest. It was also stated that this is just to decimate Aam Aadmi Party and demean him, to humiliate him just before the Lok Sabha poll, so that he could be kept outside the Lok Sabha poll campaign for the Aam Aadmi Party, to which strong rejoinders and submissions were made challenging what Abhishek Manu Singhvi has stated. It was told by S.V. Raju in front of the judge that they have credible evidences against Arvind Kejriwal. They stated that they have these statements which have been recorded of the Hawala operators. They also stated that they have WhatsApp chats of the entire money laundering, and Arvind Kejriwal being the kingpin according to them, is also the national convener of the Aam Aadmi Party. While speaking to the media, advocate S.V. Raju also stated that they are considering Aam Aadmi Party as a company because it's an association of people, and Aam Aadmi Party's national convener is Arvind Kejriwal. So all the day-to-day functioning, Arvind Kejriwal was looking after, and he knew how the entire excise policy was framed and how it would be implemented. And therefore the reason perhaps in the upcoming days they are going to summon more people. He also, advocate S.V. Raju also stated that it is Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party's property that they wanted to attach, but they have not attached so far, because if they attach those properties, then they will say that because Lok Sabha polls are just around and they are attaching this so that Aam Aadmi Party can be hampered. Both the arguments were made for a very, very long time period. It all began at 12:30 in the afternoon against the plea of Arvind Kejriwal challenging his arrest, that Enforcement Directorate had wrongly arrested him and that had hurt the fundamental rights of him. But it was also argued that whether this is a bail plea or whether this is a challenge to his arrest or whether they want to quash the entire case. This was also discussed during the arguments as well. But certainly after all those arguments, it was the Delhi High Court which stated that if any more additional documents they wanted to submit from both sides, they can do so by tomorrow, and also they wanted to see the files and the document evidence that the Enforcement Directorate has so far in terms of the income tax records and the other evidences that they have gathered. It could be tomorrow or it could be Monday or it could be any other day, but it has not been stated by the Delhi High Court that at what time or what day the order will come. Certainly the order has been reserved as of now.
All right. Thanks so much, Aishwarya, for joining us with all those details.